Welcome back, y'all. We got the Explorer up in the garage. We're gonna park this in here for a little bit. We're gonna pull out the upholstery, all the seats. It actually just stinks, and I don't know why. The upholstery looks clean. I'm thinking maybe something might be leaking inside. It's really not a mildewy smell. It's just kind of a funky fucking smell. But we're gonna get this all pulled out and strip the rug out, and we'll hit it with the power washer. It's raining right now, unfortunately, but we're gonna get this done. So stay tuned, y'all. Alright, so I was messing with this earlier. We're still working on it. We got the back seat pulled out, and as you can see, got some little moldy spur looking crap going on. And doesn't really feel wet, but it could almost feel damp. But if you look at here, what the fuck is that shit? Anyway, that's normal. So I'm gonna end up pulling this rug up. This wetness is from the WD-40 that I sprayed, but I am looking for wetness to see if we have a leak, because I took the roof rack, because the roof rack here is right where the seatbelt lip is. So I believe there's a leak coming from those bolt holes from the roof rack. So I'm gonna pull this apart and check it out, see if I have any wetness up in here. And I'm gonna use some silicone. Probably ain't the right stuff to use, but it is a gasket maker, and it is heat water resistant. So I'm gonna get this squirted up in the holes, have a little bit over the top, and tighten it down after. I'm gonna have to buff all that out, but I like it better without the roof rack anyway. And if that's the problem for my leak, I'd rather not have it there. So, alright, y'all freaking. Alright, so I got the roof racks off. Some may hate on that, I don't know. But I actually put these nice bolt head pieces on. And then underneath is just the gasket sealer. Alright. But I actually squirted it down in the hole, and put the bolts back on. Kind of seems a little gaudy, but at least they're clean, deliberate bolts. Alright, so I pulled this rug up. What's kind of funny is the padding underneath is white, but it almost looks like there's some fucking filth, some moldish looking crap. I don't really know, but this was all dry. You know, it could have almost felt damp, but, and that's just shiny because that's not wet. But this is what's kind of wacky to me. So I'm gonna clean all this off, power wash it obviously, and go from there. There's some real filthy spots, as you can see. I don't know what this discoloration is. I think maybe that's just the part that was covered maybe, but right in that corner is really, really filthy. So, and then this corner here. So I don't know, man. Maybe somebody used something that made it moldy. You know what? This probably faded. That's weird though. Yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna get these seats out probably tomorrow. It's getting late now, but yeah, those came out good, I thought. Alright, so we got the upholstery cleaner extractor, and as much as I didn't realize how filthy this is, it actually is. In fact, whatever they did to try to clean it soaked all to the bottom, and that's where it's raunchy. So let's try this thing out. Alright, so it's looking a little better. Just a wet spot there. But this spot is cleaned out. You're gonna keep working at it. We got this rented for 24 hours, so I'm gonna clean them for 24 hours. Make sure they're cleaned. We washed up a little bit. That's the funk water. Well, get a little cleaner. So I got this one done, and I'll probably go over them again while I have this thing rented, and that, and then I wash these two. They actually look dirty, but it's just the lighting. So tomorrow I'm gonna do the floor. Those are the back pieces, and we'll pull the front seats, get those, and maybe I'll keep it and we'll see what happens. But all right, y'all, stay tuned. Always something. So I need these for my seat belts in order to pull the seat out, which is bullshit, man. All right, so we got them all pulled out. Cleaned them all up. Might do something with that seat. Looks like the corner's a little janked. But got a little more cleaning to do, but they're pretty nice right now. Get the rest of the inside ripped out. Just need to get that center console to come out, but I'm gonna have to take the whole thing apart to get it out, and I'm gonna pull this rug out, like I was saying, so that I could power wash the whole shit. I'm not gonna sit here and try to scrub the rug and use the extractor. That shit'll take way too long. It'll be way too tedious. Rather just pull it out, put a bunch of shampoo and conditioner in it, and just blast it with the power washer for a while. Let it air dry. This way I can clean the floor underneath and get everything else taken care of. So yeah, man. Stay tuned. better, but just wanted to show y'all the effects of how it works. Pretty cool. All right. We're gonna check out this filthy water. Ew. Fucking nasty. Holy shit. Wow. That was a little dirty, I guess, huh? Alright, so I finally got the center console out. That was a little bit of a bitch. So now we're gonna pull this carpet out and get to washing, man. Here's the center console. There's all the wires disconnected. So let's get it. Yep. Alright, so I just got the carpet power washed. Got all this cruddy, stinky stuff that I'm gonna get vacuumed up. I might even hit it with a rhino liner just to kind of seal everything up. I don't know, we'll see what the deal is, but that's where we're at, man. Finally got it all up. So we'll get it vacuumed and we'll see if I'm... Alright, so there's the rug out. Power wash. I think I want to hit it again. Not really satisfied. Got some red spots over there. And clean this up somewhat. So there it is, man. We're gonna do a part 2 when I put it all back together. But thank y'all for watching, and stay tuned to the next video so you can see me assembling it all and putting it back together. Alright, y'all, be easy. Dolo's Garage.